Hey guys, this is a quick recap of my recent Erin Condren order. And as you can see, they pack it really well. I got the A5 Life Planner. This one goes from January to June of 2023. Daily Life Planner. And then the other half of the year, July through December of 2023. And then one of the pencil pouch packs, the ultimate planning pack right here. And then we have the Star Wars notebook. And I like my things pretty simple, so you won't find any colors in here. And then a larger notebook right here with Mr. Grogu himself, as well as my receipt. And you can also buy individual notebook covers that you might want to put on your notebook. So of course, if I bought an additional notebook cover, it wouldn't fit on this. It would fit on the larger one that I showed you with Grogu. Okay guys, I hope that you like this unboxing, and I will list my referral code down below. Talk to you later. Bye.